In this video, we'll walk through how to manage customer data in TeamGate CRM efficiently, making sure you can make the most of the software. If you're trying to figure out how to keep track of leads, sales, and customer relationships in TeamGate CRM, then stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up and manage your data for better results. The first thing you'll need to do is add customer information into the system. When you open up TeamGate CRM, you'll see the option to add new contacts and leads. Adding accurate customer data is crucial to ensuring you can track your relationships properly. Here, you can add everything from their name and email to specific notes about your interactions. Be sure to fill in as much info as you can. The more data you input, the easier it is to personalize your communications later. Next thing you need to do is categorize your contacts effectively. In TeamGate, you can create custom fields and segments based on where your customers are in the sales pipeline. This allows you to segment your data by customer type, lead status, or even the kind of product or service they're interested in. It's an essential step for managing customer data. Without it, you're missing out on the full potential of the software. The third thing you should be doing is tracking interactions and engagement. TeamGate lets you log calls, emails, and meetings directly in the CRM. This means you can see at a glance how often you've engaged with a particular customer. It's key to knowing where your relationships stand and when to follow up. The software even allows you to set reminders for follow-ups, so nothing slips through the cracks. The fourth thing to keep in mind is managing sales opportunities. TeamGate CRM makes it easy to track where each lead is in your sales pipeline. You can see what stage they're in, whether they've been contacted, or if they're nearing a deal. This keeps your sales process organized and ensures you don't miss out on closing deals. You can also assign tasks to team members, making it a collaborative effort. Now, let's talk about reporting. One of the best features in TeamGate is its reporting tools. You can generate real-time reports that give you insights into your customer data, like sales performance, team activities, or even lead conversion rates. It's all customizable, so you can track what matters most to your business. You'll quickly see how efficient your processes are, where the bottlenecks are, and what's working. Finally, let's discuss data security. While TeamGate CRM does a good job of keeping your data safe, it's always a good idea to make sure your sensitive customer information is protected. TeamGate offers encryption and permissions controls, but some users report occasional limitations when it comes to advanced security features. It's something to keep in mind as your business grows and your customer base expands. So, if you're looking to streamline customer data management in TeamGate CRM, this software does a lot right, but it does have its limitations. The user interface is clean, and it's perfect for small to mid-sized teams, but for larger teams or more complex needs, it might feel restrictive. That's why I also recommend checking out some alternatives, which may offer better solutions for your specific goals. One of the best alternatives is a CRM that focuses on both data management and advanced automation, helping you scale your customer relationships while offering extended reporting and data insights. These alternatives also come with a free trial, so you can test them out and see if they're a better fit for your business needs. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, as well as exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Plus, we've included those alternatives that have amazing features tailored for your business's growth. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description to start your extended free trial today.